Well, I have got a lot accomplished since I saw you last. And what I decided to do was take the lid, the marker lid, and extend outside the largest circle to create a series of round shapes. And I'm gonna go ahead, it's a little risky because there's such tiny shapes, but if I'm really careful, we'll see if I can come in and paint some of these shapes. Decided I'm going to rotate. I'm going to do orange and red. So you have to have just the super fine brush to do this. Again, it would be no big deal to do this with colored pencils instead. I just don't happen to have any handy. So my theme here on these colors is I'm going to have it like a burning sun. I'm going to have orange and red rotating triangles. And then on the exterior here, I will have yellow. Now this is a very fine, careful work, and that's probably what contributes to the process of making a mandala have that therapeutic quality. You just have to really slow your mind and be patient to do this work. And again, turning the paper as you work is really helpful, so I recommend doing that. Okay, I'm done with that. I'll put a teeny bit more here to clean that up. All right, clean that off. Make sure I have a clean brush. I'm gonna take off the red. I'm gonna go grab some orange. Let's see. Again, I shook that paint up first, so it would bring some of that paint right into the lid. Now you could, if you want to, go paint a different area at this time because my red is wet. But if there was a little blending to occur naturally, that would be okay. So I'm gonna take the risk. I will, however, wait to put the yellow in. I'll wait till the red and the orange dry before I put that yellow on. I don't want the yellow to get all muckety muck. It's coming along nice. I don't really have anything in the exact center, so maybe I'll take the orange and put a little orange dot in there. Clean my brush. Let's see. I don't really have too much blue in my mandala, so I'm going to bring my blue back for these orbs on the outside. I'm going to rinse and rub the brush until it comes out clear. I put a whole bunch in the center, and then I very carefully go around the shape to maintain my nice straight line. Well, technically it's not straight, it's curved, but I want to stay within the line, so I go nice and slow. I put the brush down, and I drag the brush. Okay, one of my orbs went off. That's no big deal. See? One of my orbs went off the page. That's okay. This one is like slightly off as well. It kind of gives it an organic kind of feel to it. Okay, organic has to do with things that are natural. And there's no shape in nature that is a perfect circle. A circle is considered a geometric shape. Organic shapes are shapes that we find in nature. And even some things that are pretty round in nature are never perfectly round. When I was tracing, I had a tiny little pencil mark come out of the line, and I'm going to wait till my blue dries, and then I'll use a little eraser to pick that up. Or, if I want, I can paint the outside of my mandala with a different color, and I can just paint over that little pencil line. All right, back to you soon with the finished product.